Cleaning the bedroom. Jim's mother is carrying supper to his room.
Wow. Is this what they call bed and breakfast?
Bed and supper will do. Here, we eat and talk the night away. Do you mind sharing how you clean this room? I mean, on daily basis.
Thanks anyway for cooking such a nice meal and letting us eat in my bedroom. So before I start cleaning each morning, I open the windows, of course, to make fresh air get into the room. Then I remove the bed sheets and air them outside. Have all the equipment ready. Take the rugs outside where I shake off the dust from them. Then I make my bed.
Is that all?
Actually, there is more to be done, but I usually run out of time as I need to run to school.
Then start waking up earlier. Anyway, what are these other things that need to be done daily?
Alright. After making the bed, I close the windows and sweep the room, then reopen the windows to let the dust get out. I dust all the surfaces and ornaments, tidy and arrange the room. Then finally, I clean the equipment I use and store them well.
Great. But remember, when the room is very dirty as a result of frequent use, then mopping is appropriate. Otherwise, mopping is always a weekly process.
Let me help with that too. During weekly cleaning, I open the windows, remove the blankets and bed covers outside to air. Then I take the pillowcases and sheets for laundry.
Sorry for interrupting, but you forgot the mattress.
Oh, I turn the mattress to ensure there is even wear. I close the windows, I dust the ceiling and the high walls, sweep the room systematically. Then I dust and wipe bedroom furniture, clean the walls, make the bed with the clean sheets and pillowcases, clean all other surfaces in the room accordingly, rearrange the room, clean and store all the equipment used. Did I miss something?
You have done well, my son. But the windows and walls also need weekly cleaning. Anyway, for special cleaning, conduct thorough cleaning of different surfaces and equipment. This involves washing the curtains, bed covers, and pillowcases, cleaning the carpets, rugs, and mats, wiping and polishing the ornaments.
Thank you, Mom, for everything. Can I sleep now?
Just one last thing. Assume you just rose from your bed in the morning. How do you make your bed?
That's easy. I spread the bed cover on the mattress, cover with the bed sheet, then arrange the pillows.
I am sorry, but that sounds a bit crude. Be organized. Okay, this is how it is done. Strip the bed and place the beddings on a chair. Put the under blanket right side up. Put the undersheet right side up with the wider hem to the head side. Tuck both the blanket and the sheet firmly and mitre the corners.
Whereas to mitre the corner means?
Just a minute so that I can finish. Put the top sheet right side down, wrong side up. The wide hem at the right head side and reaching just beyond the head of the mattress. Put on the top blanket separately, right side up, to reach just short of the top sheet.
Oh, I guess doing it practically would be more helpful.
No worries. Do it in the morning. Meanwhile, let me finish here so that you can sleep. Tuck the mitre at the bottom ends of both blanket and sheet. Turn down the sheet over the blanket and tuck the sides. Put the pillowcases on and place the pillows in position. Finally, put the bedspread.
Alright, let's do it again in the morning. For real this time. You promised to explain how to mitre a corner.
I haven't forgotten. First, tuck in along the foot of the mattress. Lift the flap of the sheet and blanket from a point along the side, about 30 centimeters from the corner. Tuck the remaining portion. Drop the flap and tuck it in. Don't worry, we will do this in the morning. Good night.
Good night, Mom.